Water responds to subtle vibrational frequencies of all kinds: light, sound, visual stimuli, brainwaves, electromagnetism, and frequencies in the spectrum that are even far beyond the human range of perception. Playing a crystal, glass, or Tibetan singing bowl full of water creates a healing harmonic resonance in the water that water just loves. Harmonic resonance has been defined as an organizing force that transcends other forces in the physical world. Sound and vibration act as organizing principles. You can see this represented in the work of Swiss scientist Dr. Hans Jenny, who used audible frequencies to excite water and record the sacred geometry patterns that the water danced into. And this is exactly what happens when we charge and energize our water in a singing bowl. It becomes a liquid vessel of vibration itself. When water hears a sound, she stores it in the geometric matrices of her structure, converting those liquid sounds into an elixir for those who drink her. The liquid crystalline structure of the human body and all biological life was designed to absorb and respond to vibratory information delivered through water. Vibration itself is a nutrient, and according to some, it is the vibration as much as the chemistry of what we consume that nourishes us. As author M.J. Pangman said, as a carrier of vibratory information, water can be instrumental in maintaining the organic symphony of life. Informed with a vibratory input from the natural world, water becomes full-spectrum living water. Without it, water is incomplete. When you pour water inside a singing bowl and play it, you'll see an acoustic levitation in the water as it begins to vibrate, dance, jump, and create waves and droplets that are not only a spectacular and hypnotic sight to watch, the ripples of the water droplets also create a mesmerizing sound like raindrops. Different kinds of bowls are associated with different elements, different chakras, different healing properties, and celestial bodies, so you might choose to charge your water in a certain kind of bowl to reap the specific effects of that bowl's primary association. I recommend you pour enough water into the bowl to fill half of its capacity, not too much, or it may mute the sound and decrease the vibrations. Also, be cautious about drinking the water. Depending on the type of singing bowl that you get, metal singing bowls may leach metals into the water. So for this reason, only drink liquid charged in thoroughly cleaned glass or crystal bowls. If you only have a metal bowl, use charged water to water your plants or to cleanse your crystals. Find your beautiful water energizing singing bowl under the Energizers collection on waterislife.shop.